I will say sometimes yes. Like in theater though, like I will say I've done shows where what we do is before we even start rehearsing, we have what's known as a workshop.
Right.
And what you do is that you basically read over the script and you go over it, and you'll like everybody like basically like you'll have like the cast come in, producers, whoever, and you basically read the script or whatever. And then sometimes what'll happen is that the director or the producers will decide, okay, we'll leave this, we'll take that out, we'll add this in here. And so, and a lot of times too, they'll have the playwright there too, also, if you know,
Right.
they are present, to say, we'll put this in here, we'll take out of this, or we have to find out what something means exactly, because of course you have to think about language, culture, or whatever they were thinking about when they presented, when they wrote this down. So I
Kind
would
of like
say
a table read.
exactly, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, and so I would say each of these definitely it definitely varies, but whenever that does happen, usually it's only when it's the time we actually workshop, and of course we're rehearsing it, like it's in rehearsing before like show hits, of course. Then we decide, okay, if we're going to like once we've rehearsed whatever the scene is or whatever, we decide if we're going to keep it or let it go or have to fix it, whatever. And so I would say each one is definitely each moment is different, but in theater, not so much have I seen that happen where we just fix it like on the spot.
Now that you was mentioning the workshop, I know like and Victoria mentioned kind of like a from film is table read. Now I know for like writers,
Yeah,
they kind of use it because you want to hear the actor say the words.
right.
So
Yeah.
all right, this may not flow the way we thought in our head. Maybe we'll
Yeah.
rewrite it. Like, so how do the workshops work for you? Like, benefit you as an actor?
It definitely helps because that's the moment we can actually ask questions. We can because when we read the script, we don't a lot of times know what's going on or what it is, unless it's something that's like, let's say if it's like Romeo and Juliet. Of course we're pretty familiar with that one. But if it's like someone who wrote a script and it's like completely new, the good thing about this, we can ask questions as far as like, okay, like especially if the playwright is present, we can ask them what they mean by this or what they mean by this sentence or that word or like a certain like or a certain type of slang or a certain type of wording that we don't even know what it is, and that could be from a different environment. And so, like for instance, there was one play I did where it took place in New York, and they said the term bodega. We didn't know what that meant, and then once they told us, like, oh, it's basically like a little convenience store.
Right.
So like certain little things like that can make a difference. And so, but definitely workshopping helps because you get to ask questions, as what something means. As a matter of fact, another play I did, which was a gospel play that took place in Pittsburgh, they have a way of how they say, like, how we say y'all or you all?
Yeah.
They say yins, like all the yins. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, like, that's like a Pittsburgh thing.
Like, yeah, that
that
would have been very
sounds like-
awkward if it was said here.
Yeah,
That
exactly.
sound like YNs.
Exactly.
Sound like are you YN?
She had to work that in.
Exactly.
She had to work that in.
And then the weird thing is, I didn't even know what it meant until I had to ask them, like, what does that mean? He said, it means like you all. I was like, oh, okay, cool. Because I thought that was like a typo or something. Like,
yeah, I would have thought the same thing.
So yeah, that's what I thought at first, because I kept they were wondering why I kept skipping those. I thought it was like a typo. Like,
we're not even going to say this.
So, but yeah, workshopping definitely helps out a lot because right there you get to ask questions, work on things, come up with ideas, think of ways where we can be able to make it better, enhance it. And not to mention, it's the moment where the actors, the producers, director, everybody fight choreography, dance, whatever it is, lighting, whoever, audio. Everybody's there to basically meet right there to try to find ways we can ask questions and figure out ways to, make the play presentable and make it look good.